In the ever-evolving landscape of the digital realm, where visibility is paramount and competition is fierce, mastering the art and science of search engine optimization (SEO) has never been more crucial. As we set our sights on 2024, the world of SEO is poised for remarkable transformations, offering a spectrum of opportunities to those who dare to tread its dynamic path. Imagine having the power to harness the algorithms that decide which website rise to the top of search engine results. Envision the ability to craft compelling content that not only captures the hearts and minds of your audience but also climbs the digital ranks effortlessly. Picture yourself as the guiding force behind businesses striving for online prominence. In this SEO roadmap for 2024, we will navigate through the twists and turns of the SEO landscape, unveiling the strategies and insights that will make you a true SEO expert in the year ahead. From understanding the latest trends and staying ahead of algorithm updates to perfecting the intricate dance of technical SEO and content strategy, this roadmap will be your companion on the journey to SEO mastery. So fasten your seatbelts as we embark on a thrilling expedition into the world of SEO in 2024. It's time to unlock the secrets of search engines and propel yourself into the realm of digital success. And before starting, if you are interested in advancing your career and considering Purdue University's postgraduate program in digital marketing, this comprehensive program offers certification as a digital marketer and SEO expert through live interactive learning. Dive deep into fundamental and advanced digital marketing strategies utilizing Harvard Business Publishing cases, student simulations, and hands-on participation in 20+ projects. Access the full spectrum of digital marketing tools like ChatGPT and AI tools, complemented by 35+ dedicated resources. And now we'll see the current SEO trends that are prevailing. So the number one is user experience. User experience is a top priority in SEO. Search engines now consider factors like page speed, mobile friendliness, and user-friendly layouts as crucial for ranking well. Positive user experience keeps visitors on your site and reduces bounce rates. And the next is mobile optimization. Mobile optimization remains a key challenge. With the increasing use of smartphones, ensuring that your website is mobile friendly is vital for SEO success. This includes responsive design, fast loading times, and mobile first indexing. And now moving to the next trend, that is EAT. Expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. EAT is critical for SEO in 2023. Search engines aims to provide users with high quality and trustworthy content. Demonstrating expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness in your content and across your site is essential. And the next trend is voice search. Voice search continues to grow. Optimizing for voice search involves using natural language, answering specific questions, and providing concise, informative content. Understanding how users speak their queries is key. And now, moving on to the next trend, that is content quality and relevance. High quality relevant content is essential. Creating content that addresses user intent, is up to date, and adds value to your audience is crucial for SEO success. And the next trend is data analytics and AI. Data analytics and AI tools are increasingly used for SEO. Leveraging data-driven insights and AI technology helps in making informed decisions, personalizing content, and improvising user experiences. These trends and challenges highlight the importance of adapting to the challenging landscape of SEO to maintain and improve your website's search engine rankings and visibility. Now we'll start with the SEO Expert Roadmap for 2024. So the first step is mastering the basics, that is on-page and off-page SEO. So we'll start with on-page SEO. And the first keyword or the first features of on-page SEO is, that is keyword research. Understand how to perform keyword research to identify relevant search terms for your content. And then comes the content optimization. Learn how to optimize your web pages with high quality, relevant content and strategically place keywords within it. And then comes the meta tags. Familiarize yourself with optimizing meta tags including title tags, meta descriptions, and header tags. And then comes the URL structure. Understand the importance of a clean and SEO-friendly URL structure. And then there is internal linking. Know how to create an effective internal linking structure to enhance user experience and SEO. And now coming to off-page SEO, we'll see the features of it. Number one is backlink building. That is, learn how to build high-quality backlinks from authoritative websites in your niche. Understand the importance of natural, earned backlinks for off-page SEO. Then comes the social signals. Comprehend the role of social media in off-page SEO and how social signals can impact search engine rankings. And then comes the local SEO. For businesses targeting a local audience, master local SEO strategies, including claiming your Google My Business listing and managing online reviews. And then comes the citation building. Understand the significance of NAP, name, address, phone number, consistency for local SEO, and citation building. And the next is brand mentions. Know how unlinked brand mentions can contribute to off-page SEO and reputation management. By mastering these on-page and off-page SEO basics, you will build a solid foundation for the journey to become an SEO expert. And now, moving on to the next step, that is stay informed on SEO trends. So continuously follow industry blogs, webinars, and conferences to keep up with SEO trends and algorithm updates. So now we'll see the steps how you can achieve this step. So the number one is subscribe to SEO blogs. That is, follow reputable SEO blogs and websites like Moz, SearchEngineLand, and Search Engine Journal to get the latest updates and insights in the field. The second is join SEO communities. Participate in online SEO communities and forums like Reddit's SEO or SEO related groups on LinkedIn to discuss trends and learn from others in the industry. And now moving on to the next, that is webinars and conferences. Attend SEO webinars and conferences where industry experts discuss new trends, best practices, and algorithm updates. Keep an eye out for both local and international events. Now coming to the next, that is SEO newsletters. Subscribe to SEO newsletters that provide regular updates on industry news and trends. These newsletters often curate valuable information. Now coming to the next, that is podcast. Listen to SEO podcasts where experts share their knowledge and insights. Podcasts are a convenient way to stay informed on the go. So this was all about the second step, that is stay informed on SEO trends. Now moving on to the next step, that is technical SEO proficiency. So now we'll see the steps how we can master in this technical SEO proficiency. And the number one is site speed optimization. Ensure your website loads quickly to improve user experience and search engine rankings. Compress images, minify CSS and JavaScript, and leverage browser caching. And the next is mobile friendliness. Optimize your site for mobile users as Google prioritizes mobile first indexing. Use responsive design, test mobile usability, and create mobile friendly content. And the next is schema markup. Implement schema markup to provide search engines with structured data about your content. This can enhance rich snippets in search results and improve click-through rates. And the next is crawlability and indexability. Ensure that search engines can easily crawl and index your websites. Use a sitemap, robots.txt, and canonical tags to guide search engines effectively. And the next is structured data. Implement structured data to help search engines understand the content on your site better. Now moving to the next step, that is step 4, that is content strategy. And now we'll see the features or the steps to learn content strategy. Number 1 is keyword research and targeting. Start with comprehensive keyword research to identify relevant keywords and phrases that your audience is searching for. The next is quality and relevance. Ensure your content is of high quality, informative, and relevant to your target audience. Then comes the content variety. Diversify your content types, including blog posts, videos, infographics, and podcasts. Then comes the topic clusters and pillar content. Implement a topic cluster strategy where you create pillar content, that is comprehensive guides or cornerstone articles, and support it with related in-depth articles. And then comes the content promotion. Develop a plan to promote your content through social media, email marketing, and outreach. So this was about the fourth step. Now coming to the fifth step, that is EAT and user experience. So EAT, that is expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. So the first step to learn all these is focus on demonstrating expertise in your content by showcasing your qualifications and expertise in the subject matter. Establish authoritativeness by earning backlinks from reputable sources and ensure your content is trustworthy and well referenced. And the next is user-centric content. Craft content that genuinely serves the user's need, offering valuable information and solutions. And then is transparent attribution. Clearly attribute authors and their credentials for the content, reinforcing trust and authority. And then is the mobile friendly user experience. Ensure your website is mobile responsive as Google values a positive mobile user experience. And then comes the user engagement metrics. Monitor user engagement metrics like click through rates, bounce rates, and time on site. Now, moving on to the next step, that is data analysis and tools. So, now we'll see the steps to learn data analysis and tools. That is, the first step is Google Analytics Mastery. Learn how to set up and effectively use Google Analytics to track website performance, user behavior, and conversion metrics. Then comes the Google Search Console proficiency, that is, understand the insights and tools available in Google Search Console to monitor website visibility in search results, identify issues, and optimize content. And then comes the keyword research tools. Familiarize yourself with keyword research tools such as SEMrush, RFS, and Moz to identify valuable keywords and assess keyword competition. And then comes the SEO auditing software. Utilize SEO auditing tools like Screaming Frog or Sitebulb to conduct comprehensive website audits, identify technical SEO issues, and optimize site structure. And then comes the data visualization skills. Develop the ability to create visual reports and dashboards to communicate SEO performance data effectively to stakeholders or clients. And now, moving on to the seventh step, that is link building strategies. And now, we'll see the steps for this step, that is quality over quality, that is focus on acquiring high quality authoritative back from reputable websites rather than pursuing a large volume of low quality links. The next is natural link acquisition, and then comes the outreach and relationship building, that is actively reach out to relevant websites, bloggers, and influencers to request backlinks. And then is the guest posting, that is contribute guest posts to authoritative websites in your niche. Ensure that the content is valuable and relevant. And then comes the monitor and ISO. Regularly monitor your backlink profile to identify and ISO any toxic or spammy links that could harm your SEO efforts. So this was all about the seventh step. Now moving on to the next step, that is eighth, algorithm changes. So now we'll see the steps what the algorithm changes include. So the number one is stay informed, that is regularly monitor SEO news sources and official search engine announcements to stay up to date of any upcoming algorithm changes. The next is adapt quickly. When algorithm updates occur, be prepared to adjust your SEO strategies promptly to align with the new ranking criteria and requirements. The next is analyze impact, and then comes the audit and optimize, that is conduct regular site audits to identify and address any issues that might affect your website's ranking. Then comes the diversify strategies. Avoid over-reliance on specific SEO tactics. Now coming to the ninth step, that is structured SEO strategy. Now moving to the steps that include the structured SEO strategy. The number one is keyword research and targeting, and then comes the content planning, that is create a content calendar that outlines when and what type of content you will produce. And then comes the on-page optimization, that is implement on-page SEO techniques including optimizing meta tags. And then comes the link building strategy, that is develop a strategy for acquiring high quality backlinks. And then comes the performance monitoring, that is regularly track the performance of your SEO efforts using tools like Google Analytics. And then comes the next step, that is the 10th step, that is certifications and courses. Now we'll see the steps. The number one is choose reputable SEO certification programs. Opt for well-recognized and reputable certification programs such as Google Analytics or Google Ads certification. These certifications demonstrate your expertise in specific SEO areas. And then comes the advanced SEO courses. Consider enrolling in advanced SEO courses offered by trusted educational institutions such as universities or online learning platforms such as Simplilearn that have postgraduate program for digital marketing. Now moving on to the third step, that is specialized SEO certification. Look for specialized SEO certification from organizations like Moz or HubSpot. And then comes stay updated. The SEO field evolves rapidly, so you have to stay updated as this is crucial for long-term success. And then comes the practical application. Seek out courses that include hands-on projects and practical exercises. By investing in certifications and courses that align with your career goals and staying committed to continuous learning, you will be well on your way to becoming a proficient SEO expert. Now moving to the next step, that is 11th step, that is practice and experiment. And now we'll see the steps in this step, that is A/B testing, that is conduct A/B tests to compare different elements of your website such as headlines, images, or calls to action to determine what resonates best with your audience and improves SEO results. Then comes the keyword experimentation, and that is continuously test and refine your keyword strategies, explore new keywords. And then comes the content iteration, that is regularly update and improve existing content based on user feedback and analytics data. And then comes the link building strategies. Experiment with various link building techniques, outreach methods, and content promotion strategies to identify what works best for niche and audience. And then comes local SEO tactics. Experiment with different local SEO techniques such as optimizing Google My Business profiles, soliciting reviews, and running localized ad campaigns to enhance your local search visibility. Experimentation is a critical aspect of SEO expertise as it allows you to fine-tune your strategies based on data and feedback, ultimately driving better results. And now, these are the steps to be on a SEO expert and for the SEO Roadmap 2024. Now moving to the job roles within the field of SEO. So there are various job roles within the field of SEO, each with its own set of responsibilities and expertise. Here are some common SEO job roles, and we'll start with SEO specialist. SEO specialists are experts in optimizing websites for search engines. They focus on on-page and off-page SEO optimization, keyword research, and implementing SEO best practices. And the average base salary for a SEO specialist in United States is $150,000 per year, and in India it is 11 lakhs per annum. And now coming to the next job role, that is content strategist. Content strategists are responsible for planning and creating content that aligns with SEO goals. They develop content strategies, conduct keyword research, and ensure content is optimized for search engines. And their average salary in United States is $145,000 per annum, and in India it is 13 lakhs per annum. And then comes the technical SEO manager, that is focus on the technical aspects of a website such as site structure, page speed, and mobile optimization. They work to improve the website's technical performance for better search rankings. And the average salary for technical SEO manager in United States is $120,000, and in India it is 10 lakhs per annum. And now moving to link building specialist. Link building specialists concentrate on acquiring high quality backlinks from authoritative websites. They play a crucial role in improving a website's domain authority and search engine rankings. And the average salary for link building specialist in United States is $156,000 per annum, and then in India it is 8 lakhs per annum. And then moving to the local SEO specialist, that is local SEO specialist focus on optimizing a website for local search results. They help businesses appear in local searches, particularly important for brick and mortar businesses. And the average salary in United States for local SEO specialist is $105,000 per annum, and in India that is 7 lakhs per annum. So these roles cater to various aspects of SEO, from content creation and technical optimizations to local search and data analysis. Depending on your interest and expertise, you can choose the role that best aligns with your career goals in the field of SEO. So there you have it, the SEO roadmap for 2024. SEO is a dynamic field, and staying ahead of the curve is key to your online success. Make sure to stay tuned for more in-depth videos on each of these topics in the upcoming weeks. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss any update. And please share your thoughts in the comment section below. What other SEO topics do you want to cover in the future? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.